Guys, it's Fonzie from DipYourCar.com. Now today is technically kind of a teaser video, but I promise it's very exciting and very important. We did my E63 Wagon a couple days ago, and I really wanted to just share the end results with you guys. Now we did two very new, very cool things on this car. The first is the coating system that is on the car. A lot of you guys have known that AutoFlex Coatings, which is our high-end professional line, has been the best in the business for a long time. We have a very large professional commercial base. We completely revamped that coating system. I'm talking about from the ground up, new base coat system, new gloss system, and it is better in every single way. It is more reliable, easy to use, more predictable, and way faster. When I'm talking about faster, I'm talking like dust-free the gloss in like 20 to 30 minutes and dry to the touch in 2 to 3 hours. And if you know anything about the old AutoFlex, that is light years faster. It's literally like everything that a professional installer would dream of is AutoFlex Express, and it's available now. We also did a super new, awesome color on the car. We've had this ZGA HyperShift Pearl, which is a brand new HyperShift. We were saving it for something special, and of course, the launch of AutoFlex Express doesn't get more special than that, and we are talking about a Pearl on a completely new level. Super rich, super vibrant, saturated colors, shifting hard from green to blue. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Again, kind of technically a teaser video, but I really wanted to share this with you guys. If you have any questions about AutoFlex Express, we're gonna have a launch video down the road a little bit, but you can always leave a comment in the section below. Hope you guys enjoy checking out the wagon. It's Fonzie. I will see you soon on the next video.